I'm Steve Lonzo, owner of Lonzo's Tannery Club, Two Rivers, Wisconsin. I got in the bar business years ago, 37 years ago to be exact. My mother told me to ask my father for a second mortgage because that's how they got their first house. So I asked him, and God and behold, here I am. A reliable ice machine is very important because I have, during the summer, I have a lot of fishermen come in here, and I sell them bags of ice, and I'm constantly filling them and putting them in the garage, and I give them the code to the garage so they go in there and get it themselves. Oh no, I just, the Koolaire Ice Machine, I've been taking people down there just to show them how small that one is compared to my other Manitowoc ice machine, and it's just like, every time you go down there, that thing is full. It's impressive. The Koolaire machine is kept up tremendously. I'm never out of ice. It's very good. Even when in the summer, I mean, when the fishermen come, I'm sure it'll keep up. The fact that it's made by Manitowoc gives me a lot of confidence. It produces so much ice. The Koolaire is like, I don't know, it's unbelievable how it's pushing out ice. And I like the deal with the scoop inside. That's really nice touch. You know, because you always, the county health guy, you have to have it inside the machine, or you have to have it in a bag. Otherwise, he writes you up. So, with the Koolaire Ice Machine, I've been very, very pleased. Very pleased. I would recommend Koolaire to anybody, I tell you, because it's one of the best machines I've ever seen operate. It's quiet, and it produces a lot of ice. You're never going to run out, guaranteed.